How to restore old photos to 4K using AI. So if you want the best AI image restoration software, which will restore your old photos to 4K, then this video is for you. You can open up your browser, make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, go with Share, search for Energare file repair, and here you can simply go with photo repair or document repair, any option that you are comfortable with. Like for example, if you want to restore your photos, you can go with the photo repair, and from here you can go with free download, which will download it, and it can be downloaded in Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, or 11. So you just need to simply go with download, and it will start the downloading process. It will repair your photos with ease, no matter the corruption. You can also see the before and after photos. As you can see the before and after photo. So it will enhance your photo quality with AI magic. It brings clarity. It has high resolution AI art. It has well-trained AI models. It can restore and colorize black and white photos, revive your past, restore damaged old photos, enhance and improve face clarity, auto-colorize black and white photos. It has wide support for different formats and devices. You'll have photo formats and storage devices, and you can go and just download it and you'll be able to explore more remarkable features. So this is a software that you've been searching for to restore your old photos to 4K using an AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.